So, I'm back. So, ibutang ko na ang, kay tinder na siya, ibutang ko na ang coconut juice. Then, no cubes. Chicken only. Ibutan ko na ang balunggay. Kag chili leaves. Dahon sang katumbal. Very simple food. Here, wait for boiled or magbukal siya. Little bit of salt. Kamay lang. Okay, minor cubes na. Then, the long chili. And the last, the onion leeks. Okay. Wait for boiled and ready to serve. Look at this, guys. Look at this food. So, wait for boiled and ready to serve. Our late lunch to dinner also. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And see you then. Another vlog. Thank you.